I love it.
I'm gonna like get it though. On your hip, yes.
Oh. Felt a little like this thing because of the little dent in the middle just gets right on your spine. Like,
Yeah.
just like is on,
Yeah.
like nests it, like holds it.
Link in the description.
Link in the description. Check it out.
Do you mind? Here, I'm gonna.
No,
I'm gonna start
you're totally fine.
pushing. I just grab you guys.
You're totally fine.
Let's dive into it and let's see what we
Face
find.
up.
Yeah, face up. Now, if anything is at any point too rough, you let me know.
Okay.
You want to switch to that one, Linnea? Okay.
Tough.
Yeah,
you're tough.
there you go.
I'm gonna take your head to the side like this and use my knuckles because I can't get deep enough. There we go. That's it. Breathe. That's it. Okay, other side.
Yeah, there you go.
Can you hear that one?
Yeah, we're getting it. Okay, break.
It's like it hurts so good.
We're gonna get it. Hold it. I might dig my toes in and push. Push down that trap.
So my dog's like, don't tense up, don't do anything, don't squirm.
It makes it less painful.
Yeah.
Chin back. It's not that painful. Really, it isn't.
That was woo.
Yeah,
That was a different sensation. Wow.
and the ambulance is here.
I know, right?
If you needed it. Jeez.
Wow.
We're gonna wait for that to go by. Then we'll get the other side. It's just unlocking pieces.
Yes.
You know, moving it.
I was like, can you just crack your neck? Just turn. I'm like, I can't. I don't know what you want me to do. It hurts. I don't know.
No. Did that hurt?
No, not at all.
No, it don't hurt. Nah. Here we go. Other side. This is the good side. This side's the easy side. Chin back. Perfect.
Oh my.
Perfect. Good. So we go ankle, knee,
Okay.
hip socket.
Okay.
Okay. Bend. Perfect. Reach overhead and grab the table for me. Here's hip socket. Got you. Perfect. Piece of cake. Here we go again. Ankle, knee, hip. And hip. Okay, we're gonna have to work on that one.
I feel it like right here. That's almost like it wants to go, but it's just.
How you doing? How you holding up?
Good.
And I'm pressing on you. Woo. How hard you want it? Okay. We'll back off a little bit. Okay. Woo, take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Let's see what your feet got. Let's see what's going on here. Classic right short. Goes long. Any pain here when I do this?
No.
Elbow. Too much?
Mm-mm.
And this is pretty much what it takes to push this down. It sucks. I feel you. It just does.
If you get a shot of my face from under here, be laughing your ass off.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna give you a break. So take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. And again. Okay. Whew. Hey, you're making it. I'm doing some gentle stuff. She's new, so we're gonna do some.
Oh,
She's some
that
not
was gentle. I'm just kidding.
That was gentle, yeah. All right, deep breath in. All the way up.
Oh.
No, that wasn't gentle. I had to force that one in. The upper ribs, where you're saying the tingling's coming from, they're never easy. Deep breath in. Ooh, that one didn't go. Okay, gotta work a little bit harder on that. Sorry. Here we go again. If anything hurts, you just let me know, okay?
Sounds good.
I'm just gonna keep going for it. We're gonna do the roller on her pelvis here. I can only get to the top. Okay, I'm gonna have to do the roller. I know, these are the worst. Breathe. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. That's it. I'm gonna go up your butt, okay?
Oh, good.
Get that sciatic notch. I know when you have sciatica, you're like, just get it.
I know.
I know, I feel you.
Like, I've never had to sleep with a pillow between my legs, but now I have to. I'm like, oh.
Okay, down the sacral notch. There you go. Right there.
Oh man, you all right?
Mm-hmm.
It's just really bound up here. As long as you're doing okay. Okay. I can't. Oh God, I feel that one for you. Okay, okay. Left-sided knots
Yes.
out, okay? And then you're gonna lean, slightly off the table that way. That's it. Open that up. That's it. There we go. That gives me a little bit more space. Yeah, to open this up. That's it. If you need to move that chair, let me just move it, Linnea. I'm ready to take all of this. I'm ready to take that over there and just get rid of all of it. Okay, arm down. Whew. Okay. One more. You got it. That's it, you're doing it. Okay. Whew. Same thing other side, you're almost there. We're working our way up, okay? We're working our way up. Alright, got it. This side wasn't as easy. Wasn't as hard, excuse me. Okay. Hang on for dear life.
If you say so.
Alright, it's here. It is what it is. Feel that? Does it hurt? A little sensitive, but not like bad.
But no. Oh.
Right, and that's all that is.
So are you wanting it to bruise or no? Does it like?
If you
I don't
don't,
know, like-
bruise, but let's say you don't bruise, which
Yeah.
happens to some people. That just means that you don't need it.
Okay. Gotcha.
If it bruises, then yeah, it needed to be done.
Okay.
It's like one of those things I can feel it underneath your skin.
Yeah.
Some people literally just have nothing there.
Yeah. Okay.
And then there's nothing to do when you're done. But I think we're going to be here for a little bit at least.
Like, oh, look what Dr. Mondrian did to me.
I know. I'm going to be on this side. All right, we're gonna bend that way, yep. Ooh. All right. I can feel the heat radiating off of it. There. Oh no, I still need to do. Are you okay? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Elbow back and towards mine, but keep your hand on your hip. Yes.
Okay.
Tricked you there.
There you go.
And back, elbow back. Yeah, you kind of have to do it to yourself and accept
Yeah.
the fact that you're gonna crack your
I'm
own.
doing it myself.
Yes. And lean away. There you go. Just feels good.
without pulling your ring off.
Mm.
There you go.
Hey.
Ooh.
That's my writing hand. Can you tell?
Yeah, be careful with that. Yeah, can't
types of
crack it that well.
there. So I think I have early onset.
No.
Because now, good, because it hurts when I write.
Be careful, with it. Be careful with it. Does it hurt here?
A little tender, but nothing like. I mean, nothing.
Nothing into your hand when I do that?
No.
No, I think you're gonna be all right.
No. I just have really cracky wrists.
Yeah.
I love it.
I'm gonna get it though. Okay. Okay. Arm across your chest for me. Is this the one that goes numb?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's really crunchy when I'm feeling it. You gotta really work on these, right here in this this pit here.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. How can I do this? Okay, on your side with your head there and your legs there.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna have your arm up over you like that. Just get it by that. Knuckle upon knuckle here. I just feel like if I don't get this one for you, you're gonna continue to have numbness. I'm sorry, it hurts.
Sorry.
I know. This is just a pain. Okay, scraper. No. Shake it out, but I'm coming back for it, okay? Okay, this is just a scraper. You've got that tingling, I've got to get this for you.
It's like even in the car when I had my arm on the armrest, my tips of my fingers started to.
Well, you've got to work on all these corners. There's this one, the one in the pec, the one on the trap. There's a lot of them. People don't realize how intricate the arm is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's right here in this corner. Ooh, how far does it go? Far. All right, other side. Yeah, you're going to kind of bring this. Don't lay on that shoulder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. I felt as soon as you twisted me this way, I was like, that's gonna pop. I could feel it.
That was the back that kept giving on your back now. I just no, I'm not done. I'm not done. Keep going until it closes. Jeez. Okay, bend both of your knees for me. And push
Okay.
out. Okay. And squeeze. More. That's everything I've got. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to do this one. here.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can have it. You can come on up. It's just if you practice. I know you guys do. You must do these. Here, I can move this over because I think the only thing left is the ears. You want to do the ears real quick? And I'll show you some stretches. I know you know these. And if I can grab it, yep, and lean away from me. Good. Nope, nothing. Nothing. I don't pull unless I feel something. I don't really yank on them unless I feel a catch. I don't feel anything.
I felt a little
A little bit. Maybe that's what you meant. Your ear is still attached, trust me.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
I feel like it was in my ear. I don't know where that was coming from.
Yeah, it was your ear.
That's crazy.
Okay, so this that you're feeling on the front, you're gonna.
Yeah.
This is a little harder than my 12-inch roller. More intense than that 12-inch
Yeah.
one. There it goes. Success.
You hear that one? I like this thing because of the little dent in the middle just gets right on your spine.
Yeah.
Just is on,
Yeah.
nests it, holds it.
Link in the description.
Link in the description. Check it out.
Subscribe.
You need your own line of stuff.